The building across the street is still under construction. Still don't know what it is. Maybe a hospital? Not sure. Hope it's not a hospital because I'm assuming that's going to make my rent go up and then it's going to be really busy over here, but I don't know. I can't tell from any of the signs because I can't read them. So they're still continuing to build whatever it is they're building. You can see there's a huge blue tarp and guys standing up top. And there's a bank and the vending machine that I go to a lot. So this is the view from across my apartment.